making ridiculous excuses.
Hi guys, Dr. Bobby Striker here, founder of Flow Physique Factory, and yes, it's been quite a while. Our sincerest apologies, but we have not been idling. We have been inundated with requests for a home workout plan, and that's exactly what we are delivering to you right now. The world is pretty crazy still. Gyms might be closed wherever you are in the world, or perhaps you just don't want to go to the gym. You just want to train at home and you didn't know how. Well, with our new Flow Unplugged home and away training manual, we're going to show you exactly how you can train as if you had a gym right in your home, but you don't need a gym. You can use just everyday household things, bottles of detergents, your backpack. A trusty resistance band would be good and is very, very versatile. So now, no gym, no excuses guys. You can get into the best shape of your life, and we're going to show you how with our plans in the new Unplugged manual, whether you want to train twice a week all the way up to 6 times per week, and you can still get your superhero body transformation right in your home. No excuses guys, come on, pick it up. Get it off the digital shelf now. This is going to be what you need. All right, ladies. The reason we've been delayed also is because we've done a revamp in the Flow Physique Factory in our office and gym here. So rest assured, there's going to be lots of great content coming your way now. And of course, the first thing that we've produced is this training manual. So we really hope you guys like it. We spent a lot of time putting a lot of effort and creativity into it so that you can really get a good workout at home. So really guys, I'm going to say it again, there's no more excuses. Okay guys, I'm going to see you soon in the next video. Watch this space.